Excel's RAND, RANDBETWEEN and RANDARRAY functions. If you know where to apply them, they can be very useful. First is RAND. We have this list of employees with hundreds of lines, and we need to randomly choose 10 people for our next project. We will insert one new column and name it equals, type RAND, and because this function doesn't require any arguments you can just hit enter. It is a simple function, which is returning random number that is greater or equal to 0 and less than 1. Copy this down, and next step is to sort this entire list based on data in column A. If we sort this random numbers from smallest to largest, then this other rows will be randomized. Right-click in this column, and go here, to sort. Choose one of these, I will select from smallest to largest. Now our list is randomized, and we can pick just first 10 employees for our project. Next is RANDBETWEEN. With this function you can return random number between any two integers you specify. We want to create a table with random sample data for our presentation, and you could type your sample numbers manually, but that will take time. Instead, we will use RANDBETWEEN. Equals, RANDBETWEEN, here we want number of sales, let's say to give us number between 10 and 50. Enter, copy down and we have it. In second column we want to have sales values, so we can enter our function again, and to give us number from 10,000 to 15,000. Just hit enter, copy, and it's done. I will format this as currency for a better look, and our sample data is ready. Note that random functions always recalculate when you update your file. To prevent this, just copy-paste them as values. Select the range, right-click on border, move to the right and back, release, and choose to copy here as values only. If you want to see video about this, how to copy-paste with right mouse button, check the video in the upper right corner. Final function is RANDARRAY. Let's say that you want to play Powerball lottery, and you want to select 5 random numbers out of 69. Equals, RANDARRAY, first argument is in how many rows we want our numbers. We need 5 numbers, comma, second argument is how many columns, just 1, comma, third and fourth arguments is our range, so, from 1 to 69, and finally, we want integers, whole numbers. Enter and we have it. This is dynamic array function, and with formula just in one cell, we have results spilled across this range. Downside of the random functions is that they can generate duplicates. Now, as I said earlier, rand functions always recalculate result when we update our file. I will press F9, couple of times, to recalculate this worksheet, to show you that this can generate duplicates. Okay, and here they are. Workaround for this is to add couple of functions that will solve our duplicates problem. First, we need big data sample. Tell Excel to give us much more rows of random numbers, for example 5 to the power of 5. Second is to enclose all this in unique function, so that all duplicates will be removed. Third step is to tell Excel, with index function, to display result from here, comma, and second argument of index is how many rows. We want 5, but it will not work like this, because this is dynamic array, and index is not that kind of function, so let's just add another dynamic array function that will give us first 5 rows from here. Name of that function is sequence. We can close the bracket. Hit enter and we have it. Now, no matter how many times I hit F9, you will always get unique numbers.
One eternity later.
Still no duplicates. Hope these examples have shown you the true potential of random functions, and if you want to learn more, check out my other videos.